Hey everyone, my name's Deborah. I'm a holistic health coach and I'm popping on live today to invite you to join me for a 30-day clean eating challenge. And it's happening now. It's April 2024. We've already started, but it's not too late to join us. So let me tell you a little bit about what this challenge is. It's a free group community challenge. We're gathering together just in a live chat on Instagram. It's not any major commitment. There's no hoops to jump through. There's no funnels. You don't even need to give me your email address. You just need to click the link below this video to join me. And here are the things that we're committed to inside this group. Number one, eating plant-based protein and greens, prioritizing them. So that's different for everybody. For some people, that means all 3 meals a day. For other people, that means adding 1 meal each week, and you get to set those parameters for yourself. Number 2 in the challenge, we're going to prioritize hydration. So aiming to get between 2 and 3 liters of fresh water every single day. Number 3, 30 minutes of movement a day, a type of movement that feels good to you and that works for your body. That could be exercising and doing a HIIT workout or running. For other people, it might just mean stretching and going for a mellow walk. Again, you have to set the goal for yourself. And then in addition to those 3 major things, we're also going to be prioritizing a daily check-in with mindfulness and some type of meditation. Maybe this is just 10 minutes of sitting quietly and reading a book. It could be, an actual guided meditation and deep breathing practice. It could be listening to a podcast or listening to a guided meditation. But taking 10 minutes every day to really fill your tank and fuel yourself with mindfulness and slowing down and relieving your mind of all the anxious thoughts and sort of cyclical thoughts that tend to be stress inducing. And then finally, we're going to aim to eliminate processed sugar. And this is one of the hardest ones usually for people, but trust me when I tell you that it's easy to do when you replace processed sugar with things like fresh fruit, natural sweeteners like whole molecule, things like honey or maple syrup. And I've got loads and loads of recipes that I can share with you. Now, I have a mini course. It's called Balanced Bowls. And inside that mini course, there are dozens of done-for-you meal plans that are plant-based, that prioritize proteins, greens, and things like that. There's also tools inside that mini course on how to calculate your own personal macros, how to know which is the right dietary pattern for your body, for the season of life that you're in. So whatever is right for you at this moment. And there's also, lots of tips in there for how to save time prepping meals. There's opportunities to gather together live on Zoom and cook together. So it's a really great mini course. Normally I sell it for $97, but if you join my April 30-day clean eating challenge, you can get the discount code to get that mini course for 50% off. So I'm excited to share that with you. All you need to do is click the link below this video, join my April 30-day clean eating challenge, take it at your own pace. I'll be in there. I'm doing the challenge. I'm on day 3 right now, and it feels amazing. And I'm excited to host, to hold you accountable, to share the experience with you, to meet new people. And like I said, if you want that incredible resource that I've created, the Balanced Bowls course, you can get it for half off when you join my free challenge. So let's do this together. Clean eating is an incredible way to support your health. Eating more plants, eating more protein, exercising daily, taking care of your skin through hydration. We're going to plant the seeds now in the spring for how we want to look and feel this coming summer. So click that link and join the challenge, and I'll send you the discount code for Balanced Bowls. And I love supporting you in this way. So go ahead and ask any questions below, and I hope to see you inside the 30-day challenge.